Welcome to the first episode of Adam Walks Around. I've been in the Philippines now for 3 days, and so many amazing things have happened to me that I've realized that this is maybe really why I'm here, is to show you this country and show you this part of the world that I've spent so much time in, and let you see what it's like for me and all the things that I get to see that a normal tourist doesn't get to see. The Philippines has gotten kind of a bad rep for some reasons that are justified, some that aren't. I'm not going to express any opinion about the politics here because it would be just as inappropriate and as unwise as if I was a foreign tourist in Oklahoma complaining about Donald Trump. In my observation, it's actually become a bit safer since the most recent government change, and that's the opinion of a lot of the locals too, which will help explain to you why the government here is still fairly popular. Let's get another thing out of the way right now. I really am walking around, and I am in Southeast Asia, which means most of the time I'm going to be covered with sweat. So for this to work, you're just going to have to kind of get used to that. So I'm staying in Makati, which is, my friend Alan on Facebook said it was the most American part of the Philippines, and to some degree that's true. And it's also one of the most affluent parts of Manila, but it's also centrally located. So I'm going to be able to show you a number of different facets of Filipino life and give you an idea about the people and the country that I fell in love with, and that was my gateway to understanding and appreciating Southeast Asia. Today we're going to be heading to the Legaspi Village Sunday Market, one of the coolest places to be on a weekend in Makati, and it inspired the song Magandang Umaga, which you'll be hearing in a little bit. So come with me to the Legaspi Village Market, and then we'll take a little walk around central Makati.
Landed at an AIA. Take a jeepney into the city, on the edge of Manila Bay, and sing Magandang Umaga, Magandang Umaga, Magandang Umaga, gusto ko ng Philippines. The Sunday Market, Legaspi Village, I bought sunglasses from a lady boy. Smell the incense, eat adobo. Find the groove, the sound of joy, and sing Magandang Umaga, Magandang Umaga, Magandang Umaga. Gusto ko sa Philippines, sing Magandang Umaga, Magandang Umaga, Magandang Umaga. Gusto ko sa Philippines.
This is Django. He is one of the musicians here at the Legaspi Village Market. He, without realizing it, played on my last album, Bule, because when he and some of the other guys here were jamming, I taped them on my iPhone and then made a song about it. And I later gave him the album, and so far he has not sued me. Whoa!
Indonesians, the Muslim tribes in Mindanao. It's about the people who is doing the harvest time. The song of the people who's doing the harvest.
Gets cold. How are you, my friend?
Good. I'm really good. How about you, sir?
I'm good. I'm just returned from Cambodia.
Ah, okay. When?
2 days ago.
2 days ago.
Yes. Now I need some yogurt, I think.
Ah, okay.
Yes.
Yes, we have a lot of yogurt.
That's good. Keep it healthy, right?
That's right.
Yes. Magandang hapon po. Ano ang pangalan mo? Anna. Ganda si Anna. And you have 3 kind of cookies, but they are all gone. You have the freedom cookie, the success cookie, and the happiness cookie, but the happiness is upside down. Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
No, walang problema po. I hope that is not because you're unhappy. Okay, good. So, pwede ko bang isa lang? Magkano? It's not that I can't understand, I can't hear. Okay. Oh, hindi pwede isa lang? Ako magiging mataba kung ako kumain tatlo. This is a saleswoman here. This is whenever I'm feeling homesick for Bali, I come to the Indonesian food place. Tapi semua habis.
No, bukan semua, masih ada yang ketinggalan, masih ada tahu isi, tempe mendoan, telur balado, terung balado, nasi goreng.
Naintindihan ko ba? I've confused my Indonesian and my Tagalog. Magkano ito?
Ini harganya yang per piece nya, ini 15, ini 25.
25. Saya mau ini sedikit.
Oke, nasi goreng.
No, tidak perlu nasi goreng, itu saja. Oh, too many languages, man.
Tidak makan nasi ya?
Tidak makan nasi, itu saja.
Tahu isi.
Ya.
Tahu isinya berapa?
Dua.
Tempe mendoan?
Ya. Satu ini.
Satu. Terong balado, just this one.
Thank you.
Sambal.
Oh, yeah. Sambal sedikit. Woo! It's a language workout, folks.
It's a sweat workout for you too.
Yeah, well, that's true. Well, you're in Southeast Asia, you better be ready to sweat.
Absolutely.
Where are you from?
I'm from my mother. Where are you from?
I don't know where that is. Where is that? I think I've been
I
busted.
live in Melbourne, Australia.
Oh, okay. I'm hoping to go to Melbourne in a month or two.
It's a cool city. It's a fabulous city.
Yeah?
It'll be a lot cooler by the time in another month or two too.
Oh, yeah. That's what cool would be good, as you can see.
You lived in Indonesia?
For a while, yeah. I kind of bounce around Asia, and I try to pick up the language wherever I go.
Oh, cool.
So, but I usually don't have to bounce between 2 languages that fast. Well, the market's packing up now, so I think it's time for the best coffee I know of in Manila, which is right across the street, and a relaxing massage, which is right over there. Best coffee in Southeast Asia right here, Toby's Estate. Sige. Ah. Pwede ko bang flat white? Flat white. Flat white. Flat white. Mainit.
That's for the go
Para dito. Next problem is I've spent a lot of time in this area, which means because of my neck problems, I've been to a lot of the massage places. And some of the people that work there are my friends on Facebook. So no matter which one I go to, I'm gonna piss somebody off. So I'm just gonna pick the one where I have the most people that I know. So one of the many reasons I'm in Asia is because I have chronic neck problems, and I can afford to get a massage here pretty much every day. I know this is hard for people in America to believe, but the going rate for a massage here, pretty much in any country you go to, starts at about $6 an hour, even a little bit less. Now, the difference is, of course, there isn't the level of certification here that we have in the United States, particularly in California. So the quality of the massages varies quite a bit. So the key here is to find a place that's inexpensive enough for you to afford to go every day. Because the more expensive places are not necessarily that much better, but that has reliable masseuses. One of the nicest things about this part of Manila is there's a number of really good massage places like that. And this one even has a cat. Today, I am going to have the Thai body 60 minutes. No oil. I need to sobrang pawis. This is always the problem. So wait, what did you just say?
Uy, ano sabihin mo? Yung sinabi mo. Ano sir, nag-promote sa atin.
So I'm in the back room, which is something I get to do because I'm doing a vlog now, so I get to be in the break room with the ladies. Oh my gosh.
Mga haggard, like now we should find a good place so the place is not missing like what we have before.
No, this is really cool. This is actually even better. So some of you might make some assumptions because there are so many beautiful women here that there's something inappropriate going on. But actually, most of the places that I go to, well, all of them, of course, especially the chains are very professional. And in fact, the women that come here are working on a contract, and if they do anything inappropriate, they could get fired. Oh my gosh! So this is the break room, and
Showtime!
yes.
Baka makita na tayo.
So we will introduce ourselves again. So the women here, they actually all live together in a dormitory, and they, as you can see, there's a lot of a sense of camaraderie here. There's a lot of happiness, which is cool because they're actually working for only about $250 American a month plus tips, and they send the money home to their families. Yeah, right? You guys, you send money home. Yeah, and so everyone call out where you are from in the Philippines, starting with you. You can tell us again. You're from Bohol, right?
Bohol.
Yes.
Balilihan, Bohol. I'm from Bicol.
You're from Bicol?
Dubai.
I don't know what she just said.
Mindoro, province of
Yeah.
Kenya.
So they are from all over the Philippines, and they came to Manila to do massage, to make money for their families, and that's the deal here.
Can you sing the Unbreakable for the Rain? This little.
And I have waited all my life to feel the way I do tonight. Whatever else may come to light, I'm grateful for the rain.
Oh, nice boy.
Oh, thank you. They know my song. Darker hours may come, but our day is done. When people ask me to describe the Philippines, there's a lot of real poverty, and then right next to it, there are these incredible malls. Malls are what the Philippines are all about. There's a ton of them, and they're all very well appointed, and pretty similar to the places we've got in the United States. So we're going to wrap up today, unless something happens I don't expect, with a short trip to Greenbelt, which is one of the large malls in the center of Makati. When you first hit the food court at Greenbelt, it can be easy to think that you've never left the U.S. until you encounter Filipino national institutions like Jollibee or the pork dish lechon. This country's not kind to vegetarians, but there are some familiar options. Particularly if you like to get your coffee on, you're going to find some familiar faces here. And there's one thing all cultures can agree on.
What's your ice cream?
And I have waited all my life to feel the way.
All in all, a pretty cool first run around the block, right? Well, I have a lot more to show you, so stay tuned for the next few episodes.